Today's video is fifth part of discount, commission and brokerage. It is also related to commission. Understand? Now the question is, a salesman is paid fixed monthly salary plus commission based as a percentage on sales. What do you mean by this sentence? First of all, define the concept of the question of the first line. Understand? A salesman is paid fixed monthly salary plus commission based on percentage on sales. That means जो एजेंट है उसको या तो आप पे कर रहे हैं या एजेंट रिसीव कर रहा है. ठीक है, क्या रिसीव कर रहा है? दैट मीन्स द इनकम ऑफ एजेंट. अंडरस्टैंड? बाय वे ऑफ सैलरी इट इज फिक्स्ड. अंडरस्टैंड? द बाय वे ऑफ सैलरी इज फिक्स्ड प्लस rate of commission is also fixed. If the turnover is increase or decrease, then the amount of commission is also increase and decrease. It is a very clear. Understand? If the sales are there 3,150 and 4,500 in 2 successive months, 2 महीने के लिए उसका सेल्स दिया हुआ है. He receives in all 254.50 and 295 respectively. Understand? He receives in all. That means this is the income of agent. Okay? Income of agent से salary and commission both are included in this amount. If he receives rupees 320 in all in the next month. Okay? Find the amount of sales for that month. Had he sold goods worth rupees 600, what is the remuneration would have been? Okay, clear हुआ? अब इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि ये डेटा को आप सजाते कैसे हो. ठीक है, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. इनकम ऑफ एजेंट. इनकम ऑफ agent are equals to salary plus commission. As per question, salary is fixed, commission, rate of commission is fixed. Clear? As per question. As per data, the sales are given for successive 2 months. Given data, first month, second month, okay, sales are 3,150 and 4,500. Okay. Second, income of agent is also there. Income of agent 254.50 and 295. This is the first part of the question. And if he receives 320 in all the next month, that means third month, 320 are there. If agent is received rupees 320 in third month, again how much amount of sales? Understand? Next, he had sold goods worth rupees 600. Now this is the fourth month. If the agent is sold goods worth rupees 600, what is remuneration would have been? तो वो कितना remuneration receive करेगा? This is the question. Understand? First, as per question, income of agent are equals to salary plus commission. Now, as per question, salary is fixed and commission, say rate of commission is fixed. Amount of commission is not fixed. Rate of commission is fixed. Amount of commission बढ़ भी सकता है और डिक्रीज भी हो सकता है. कब होगा? If the amount of sales are increased, then the amount of commission are increased. If the amount of sales are decreased, then the amount of commission are decreased. Understand? And this data is given for 4 months are there. First month sales and commission income both are there. For second month again sales and income both are there. But third month sales are not there. It is to find out the value as per question. But the income of agent is also there. Okay. Now the 4 month total sales of agent is also there. But to find out the remuneration of agent is given in your question. Understand? अब बेटा ये स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे? ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट कैसे करेंगे? ये तो मैंने क्वेश्चंस को लिख दिया. ठीक है. अब एज पर क्वेश्चन, इनकम ऑफ एजेंट सैलरी प्लस कमीशन. सैलरी इज नॉट देयर, कमीशन इज नॉट देयर. ठीक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल sales of second year are equals to 4500 and sales of first year are equals to 3150 and the difference amount 4500 minus 3150 are equals to 1350. This is the question. What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये है. ये जिसको क्लियर हो जाएगा उसके लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ओके. What is this? This is a amount of commission. अब ये जो मेरे को आता है इसलिए मैंने आपको बता दिया. This is the amount of commission. What is this? This is the amount of commission. मगर ये आपको कैसे समझ में आएगा कि ये अमाउंट ऑफ कमीशन है? ठीक है. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं. इफ इनकम आर इक्वल्स टू सैलरी प्लस सैलरी प्लस कमीशन. This is amount of commission is wrong. This is the amount of sales. This is amount of sales. Amount of sales. And second income. ठीक है. Income of second year are equals to 295 and income for first year. Income for first year are equals to 254.50. Again, the difference between two incomes 295 minus 254.50, 40.50. And what is this? What is this? ये क्या है? This is amount of commission. This is amount of commission. मगर कैसे? कैसे amount of commission? Suppose that if income of an agent per month 2000 rupees, for first month 2000, for second month 1500. As per question, salary is fixed for first and second month. Suppose that the salary is becomes of an agent is rupees 1000 per month. Therefore, the commission is 1000. This is very clear. Same as it is for second year, salary is fixed because as per question the salary is fixed. मतलब इसमें कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. Now the commission is 500. That means the difference between income say 500. Say it is also known as amount of commission. Understand? मेरे ख्याल से ये सबको ये एग्जांपल एकदम क्लियर है, सबको समझ में आया होगा। इट इज अ वेरी सिंपल, मैं बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको मैंने समझाया कि ये जो डिफरेंस अमाउंट होता है इनकम का, वो कमीशन क्यों होता है। इट इज क्लियर? ओके, नाउ एज पर क्वेश्चन, this is amount of commission and this is the difference amount of sales and this is the difference amount of commission. This commission is also based on sales of rupees 1350. Okay, as per data, commission are equals to 40.50, sales are equals to 1350. Now to find out the value of rate of commission. To find out the value of rate of commission. Understand? Amount of commission are equals to sales 1350 into rate divided by 100. First of all, put the value in this equation, in this formula. Understand? Therefore, 40.50 are equals to what sales are there 1350 into R divided by 100. Therefore, R are equals to 40.50 into 100 divided by 1350. Therefore, 40.50 into 100 divided by 1350. Now, first of all, you have defined the rate of commission, because it is also as per question, rate of commission is fixed. Clear? कि जो rate of commission होगा वो भी क्या होगा, as per question fixed होगा. ठीक, अब चलिए हमारे पास नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है, टू फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट ऑफ सेल्स. अब कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 320 is the income of third month of agent. Now इसको ड्राइव कीजिए, इनकम को ड्राइव कीजिए. ठीक है, क्लियर? थर्ड मंथ इनकम आर इक्वल्स टू सैलरी प्लस कमीशन. टोटल इनकम आर देयर 320. सैलरी नहीं मालूम है आपको, तो ये तो डिफाइन हो नहीं सकता आपके. ठीक है, तो क्या सैलरी आपको मालूम है, आपको दिख रहा है? इंपॉर्टेंट ये है. यस, इट इज विजिबल बिकॉज द 2 फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड मंथ इनकम आर देयर एंड सेल्स आर ऑल्सो देयर. ठीक है, अब ये आप देखिए यहां कैसे कैलकुलेट होता है. इनकम आर इक्वल्स टू सैलरी प्लस कमीशन. आप डिफाइन कर सकते हैं फॉर फर्स्ट मंथ, फॉर सेकेंड मंथ, फॉर सेकेंड मंथ, फॉर सेकेंड मंथ. ठीक है, 295 इज द इनकम. सैलरी आई डोंट नो, but rate of commission are defined 3% are applicable at the rate of 4500 for calculation of amount of commission. Understand? Yes, 4500 at the rate of 3%. Now this is salary. Therefore salary are equals to 295 minus 4500 into 3%, say 135. 295, 160. This is the salary for each month and it is also fixed. Clear? Therefore 160 how much amount? बहुत ही सिंपल है, मेरे ख्याल से सबको मालूम है. 320 minus 160 are equals to 160. Clear? This is the result of 160. For the 4 month, to find out the remuneration of agent. Remuneration of agent, say what income of agent. Again, income of agent 4 month income are equals to salary plus commission. Salary are fixed, understand, and it is rupees 160. It is also defined for each and every month as per question. Total income I don't know, but sales are there, and the rate of commission is also defined at the rate of 3%. Say 160 plus 18 are equals to 170. It is clear? क्वेश्चन इजी है, आपको उसके अंदर जाना है, क्वेश्चन में आपको खुद ट्रीट करना है कि ये सारी चीजें हमारे साथ हो रही हैं, तो ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप आपसे बनने लगेगा. चलिए आइए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट अप इज अ मैनेजर इज पेड कमीशन एट 5% if his total sales are less than or equals to 80,000. एक मैनेजर है, वो अपने एजेंट को कमीशन देता है. कितना देता है? 5% कमीशन देता है. कब पे करता है वो 5% कमीशन? जब जो एजेंट है वो 80,000 तक का सेल करता है या लेस देन और अप टू 80,000. ठीक है. बट इफ हिज सेल्स एक्सीडेड रुपीज 80,000 और मैनेजर बोलता है अगर वो 80,000 रुपए से ज्यादा का सामान बेचेगा, ही इज पेड एट द रेट ऑफ 8% ऑन टोटल सेल्स. अगर वो 80,000 से एक्सेस करेगा तो उसको 8% कमीशन मिलेगा. ठीक है. इन अ ईयर हिज सेल्स एक्सीडेड दैट द प्रीवियस ईयर बाय 20,000. एक साल में क्या हुआ? एजेंट ने 80,000 से एक्स्ट्रा सामान बेचा, मगर कितना एक्स्ट्रा सामान बेचा? 20,000 रुपीज का. हिज कमीशन ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड बाय रुपीज 3,520, जिससे उसका जो कमीशन है कितना इंक्रीज हो गया? 3,520. व्हाट वाज द वैल्यू ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड बाय हिम इन 2 years? तो उसने 2 साल में टोटल कितना सामान बेचा? ठीक है. As per question, what type of data are there? This is the question number 2. Rate of commission at the rate of 5%. ये कब होगा? If the sales rupees less than rupees 80,000 or equals to 80,000 rupees 80,000. This is the first data. The second data, as per question, rate of commission are equals to at the rate of 8%. Okay. If sales are exceeded rupees 80,000. Okay. ये 2 data are there, but total amount of sales are not given. Okay. So first of all, assume the amount of sales for first year. Okay. Let the amount of sales for first year is rupees X. As per the X is less than or up to rupees 80,000. Therefore, amount of commission for first year are equals to sales X into 5/100 are equals to 5X upon 100. Okay. Therefore, if the first year sales is rupees X and it is belongs to less than 80,000 or up to rupees 80,000. But as per question, the next year sales is about rupees 80,000 and how much? Rupees 20,000. Understand? Therefore, amount of sales for next year equals to rupees X plus 20,000. Understand? And as per question, this is belongs to about rupees 80,000. Okay. Therefore, the amount of commission the rate of commission will be allowed at the rate of 8% for the calculation of amount of commission. Understand for next year? Amount of commission are equals to sales X plus 20,000 into 8 by 100. Clear? First of all, this amount and this amount. अब एज पर क्वेश्चन, ध्यान से अगर आप लोग इसको समझेंगे तो ये क्वेश्चन आपसे बन जाएगा. ओके, नाउ इन अ ईयर ही इज राइट, इन अ ईयर रुपीज 325. एक सेकेंड, व्हाट इज दिस? हाँ, सॉरी, really sorry. His commission also increased by rupees 3,520. Clear? What do you mean by this sentence? The commission are increased comparison to first year. That is, this commission and this commission, इन दोनों कमीशन के बीच में क्या चेंज हुआ बेटा? This commission are increased rupees 3,520 for the first year. That means the difference amount of commission are equals to commission for next year minus commission for first year. Okay, this is given 3,520. Check कर लेते हैं. Yes, this is correct. 3,520. Okay. Commission for next year. Commission कितना है? X plus 20,000 into 8 by 100 minus commission for first year. Commission for first year, this one 5x upon 100. Okay. This is 3,520 are equals to 8x upon 100 plus 20,000 into 8 by 100 minus 5x upon 100. Clear? Therefore, 3,520 are equals to 8x upon 100 and 8% of rupees 20,000. Say 1,600 plus 1,600 minus 5x upon 100. Now 8x upon 100 minus 5x upon 100 are equals to 3,520 minus 1,600. As per LCM, 3x upon 100 are equals to minus 3,520. Therefore, the result is becomes 1,920. X are equals to 1,920 into 100 divided by 3. Therefore, x are equals to into 100 divided by 3. Now the result is becomes what? 64,000. What is this? 64,000. 64,000 is the value of x and x is called amount of sales for first year. To find out the value of total sales, that means sales of a sum, therefore sum of sales of first year and second year. As per question, total sales are equals to sales of first year plus sales of next year, second year, next year. Okay, sales of first year, sales of first year, yes, sales of first year, it is clear, x plus sales of next year, this one, x plus 20,000, clear, x plus 20,000. Now put the value of x, therefore 64,000 plus 64,000 plus 20,000. Now the result is becomes 1,48,000. It is clear? And the last question of this topic of commission. Now the next video for brokerage only. Understand? Now the question is, the agent is entitled to monthly salary of rupees 500, 5% commission on monthly sales, and certain bonus on sales of exceeding rupees 15,000. What is the meaning of this question? एक एजेंट को मंथली सैलरी के रूप में 500 रुपीज मिल रहा था, 5% कमीशन ऑन मंथली सेल्स, जो मंथली सेल्स जो टर्नओवर कर रहा होगा उस पे 5% इसको कमीशन रिसीव हो रहा है, अ सर्टेन बोनस ऑन सेल्स एक्सीडिंग रुपीज 15,000, और साथ में और क्या मिल रहा है, अगर वो 15,000 से अगर एक्स्ट्रा सेल करता है, टर्नओवर करता है, तो उसको बोनस भी रिसीव होता है. ओके, बट the rate of bonus is not given. If he gets rupees 2,300 in all in a month, again I am always discuss with you, if he gets rupees 2,300 in all in a month, what do you mean by this? That means this is the total income of agent, 2,300 rupees. Understand? In a month. Calculate the amount and the percentage of bonus. Both the items are calculated. The monthly sales amounted to rupees 30,000. Clear? Okay. As per given data, monthly salary are given rupees 500, rate of commission are equals to 5%, bonus amount of bonus is not there, rate of bonus is not there, but condition are there. If sales exceeded rupees 15,000, now he has taken a certain amount of bonus. Now total income of agent, understand, 2,300. This is the very important. And total sales for the month. Understand, rupees 30,000 are there. चलिए, अब ये इतने सारा डेटा तो हमने देख लिया, फिर भी मैं आपको बार बार यही बोलता हूँ कि आप क्वेश्चन के कॉन्सेप्ट में जाइए. कॉन्सेप्ट इज देयर इनकम ऑफ एन एजेंट. Which kinds of item are included for the calculation of income of an agent? Understand? As per question. It is a very simple. That means एक एजेंट के कमीशन को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए which type of items are included as per question. Understand? In this question, income of agent are equals to, first of all, salary are there. फिर कमीशन आर देयर, ओके, मंथली सैलरी आर देयर, रेट ऑफ कमीशन से कमीशन आर देयर, अमाउंट ऑफ कमीशन से अमाउंट ऑफ बोनस आर देयर, बोनस प्लस नथिंग इज देयर. दैट मींस 3 items are included for the calculation of income of an agent. And what data are there? What data are there? Total income are there 2300, salary for the month 500, commission at the rate of 5%, and bonus is not there. ठीक है? Commission at the rate of 5% on sales of the month, and it is also given 30,000. Therefore, first of all, to find out the amount of commission, okay? Amount of commission are equals to sales into rate divided by 100. Now the sales are there 30,000, rate are there 5% and divided by 100. Okay? 30,000 into 5%, say 1500. Now again this data is also available, 1500. Okay, now this is also defined. Therefore 2300 are equals to 500 plus 1500 plus amount of bonus. Clear? Therefore amount of bonus are equals to 20. Now this is the amount of bonus. Okay, now amount of bonus are equals to 2300 minus 2000. Now the result is becomes 3. Clear? But second point, rate of bonus is not there. Okay, this is amount of bonus is clear, 300. But rate of bonus is also defined as per question. Question के हिसाब से आपको इसको define करना है. Okay. Now say amount of bonus is also depends upon sales. Amount of bonus are equals to sales into rate of bonus. Rate of bonus divided by 100. What is the meaning of this sales? What is the meaning of this sales? As per question, excess amount of rupees 15,000. This is the meaning of sales. As per question, if the sales exceeded rupees 15,000, understand? That is the meaning of this sales, excess sales of rupees 15,000. What amount of sales are there? Total sales are there 30,000. It is possible for define of excess sales of rupees 50,000. Yes, it is clear. Therefore, 30,000 minus 15,000 into rate of bonus divided by 100, and the total amount of bonus is 300. Therefore 300 are equals to 15,000 into rate of bonus or divided by 100. By cross multiplication, rate of bonus are equals to 300 into 100 divided by 50,000. R equals to 2%. This is the result of this question. Understand? This is the last part of commission. The next part, that means sixth part of this chapter of this video is belongs to only brokerage. Okay? Thank you very much.